The team is very much customer focused. In fact, I would say it's customer obsessed. I'm Vipin. I lead product management at Circles. And before coming to Circles, I have led product and tech teams in India and the US. One interesting thing about myself, well, I can write with both hands. And though I can do that, but it does not make me double productive. I wish it would. So top 3 reasons why anybody should join Circles.Life, especially the product team. One is you would get high degree of professional growth, great responsibility and freedom to do things, and be able to see immediate impact for what you do. Our product team is definitely A-class, and the top qualities that come to my mind are, one is the team is very much customer focused. In fact, I would say it's customer obsessed. We take pride in delivering happiness to our customers. Second is we challenge the status quo. We take high conviction bets, and we do that with a very informed decision making built on data. The third is we take full ownership. The team takes full ownership of what they do, and I can trust my team to lead projects with a good amount of complexity with minimal help required. So they take full ownership. And fourth, definitely is a big one, is the team is quite agile. We build products, features, improvements. We get feedback from the market, learn from it, and then we constantly iterate. So that helps us, get to the market faster and better with every iteration. In the next few months, we are launching in multiple markets, new markets, and we are solidifying our capabilities that allow us to do this faster and better. We are revamping our customer journey end to end. We are making the entire experience more delightful, frictionless, smooth, streamlined for our customers. And of course, we are getting into new and many more exciting verticals.